Sam Millison isn't my real name. Well, Sam is my real first name, but the surname Millison is a fake name I made up. You see, in June of 2023 I'd been on self-improvement for quite a while, and I decided that I wanted to start a self-improvement YouTube channel. And so I did, and I came out into some woods. It's actually just those woods over there. So I recorded some videos, like clipped them down into short form, you know, just talking about like fitness and health and getting non-fat, losing fat. And I clipped it down with this like AI clipping software, put it on TikTok, put it on like Instagram Reels and everywhere. It's going pretty well. I was fairly happy with the videos. I was 13 at the time here. And because I was so scared of people finding me, I called myself Sam Springwood, which again, Springwood, that's also a fake surname, and that's actually those woods over there. That's what they're called. And then one day, this was near the end of year 9, I was 14 at this point. I got a message from my friend. I was off school sick, and I got a message from my friend, and he just said like, oh, everyone's laughing at your TikTok, are you all right? And at first I assumed they meant like my old TikTok from when I was like 10 years old that I couldn't like take down and delete, where I did like these weird dancing videos and shit.
I got muscles like Superman trainer. Real rare like Super Saiyan Mega. I stomp on Lucifer's sake.
And so I was like, yeah, that's fine. I don't care about people making fun of that. And then he was like, no, the one from 2 days ago with however many million views on it. I was like, what? So I re-download TikTok, and at this point, I'm just like sitting in my like gaming chair, you know, at my desk, so I was off school sick. I open TikTok, I log into the account, and the little notification thing in the bottom says 99 plus. I'm like, okay, what the fuck? My videos got pushed to like a couple thousand people, cool. Click on my profile, nope, 3 million views total, 2,000 followers. It was pretty crazy. And it made sense to me at that point that everybody I knew about this, because it fucking blew up on TikTok. They found it in your For You page, and then obviously it got sent around the school. I remember the moment when I found out, I opened my profile on TikTok and saw what happened. And in that moment, I kid you not, I physically jumped up from my chair and just said no, 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 no. Because like my whole life as I knew it, as a normal kid, it was just gone at that point because everybody knew me as this guy who is now on self-improvement, making YouTube videos and stuff. And so later that day, my dad comes into my room, he knocks on the door, and I already know that he knows because like someone told my sister at school and shit, and so she told my parents. And my dad comes into my room and he sits down on my bench press, and we just begin talking. And at first I thought he'd be really angry, but he wasn't. He was fine with me doing YouTube. He was happy that I was doing it. So we just agreed that I would make a new channel under a new fake name, which was in fact Millison. So I just carried on doing YouTube. I carried on making even better videos. I started up a Discord community. All the time my dad was still giving me feedback on it and helping me improve by giving me his perspective. And all over this time, I'm constantly improving. I built up a community on Discord, and I started selling coaching, and I started making money from this. And then I started helping more people to make money for themselves once I was good at that. And then eventually I just became a leader and an inspiration to so many people. And then just recently, instead of having conversations about allowing me to do YouTube, me and my parents have been having conversations about allowing me to drop out, and now I am officially, technically dropped out. I went from talking with my dad about trying to convince him to let me do YouTube to talking with him about letting me drop out to go all in on YouTube and business in less than 2 years it has been now. Because now I just have such a strong vision for my future. I've seen what I've done in the past 2 years, and it has been absolutely amazing. I've helped so many people, I've made so much money for myself, and it's just all around been so epic. But now I have a vision to do so genuinely much more than what I've already done. And this vision I've got is so obnoxious, okay? And you won't even believe me, so I'm not even gonna try and explain it in complete detail. But over the rest of the summer, I'm going to be traveling Europe, paying for it all myself, being this 16-year-old dropout who has an online business, doing what he loves, helping people, changing lives and making money. And I'm going to document it all on YouTube. And I plan on really pushing my image out there and really showing and inspiring as many people as I can how this is so genuinely possible to live this fucking epic life, because my life is genuinely so epic now. I wake up at like 5, 6 a.m. Not even that early anymore, because I don't have school anymore. I don't have to wake up that early. And I just get in my ice bath and I enjoy it. And then I come upstairs and I gratitude journal and I meditate and I enjoy it, and I feel the freedom that I now have, and I feel the love for my work in it. It's honestly so epic, and I want to allow as many people as possible to experience this too. And this is not my new mission, to inspire as many people as possible to get into making money online, but in purposeful ways, or at least getting into following your dreams. Because when you are not, and when you are falsely following something that you don't truly want to do, for example, like you're continually studying for school and you hate studying for school, but you just carry on doing it because your parents tell you to, that is pain. That is true, deep pain, because you're avoiding doing what you truly want to do in life. And at the end of the day, what is there to life other than to do what you want to do in it? There's no point in living life if you're just going to live it under someone else's vision. And so my mission now is to inspire as many young guys as possible into making money online in genuinely enjoyable and purposeful ways. Because right now, and you probably see this too, like the whole make money online space is just catered to getting rich at all costs. It's literally just make money. Yeah, SMMA, dropshipping, you can do this, you can do that. Oh yeah, doing this tactical, make you more money. Even though it like takes up your whole life and you don't really care about doing this. You don't care about dropshipping, you don't care about SMMA, but you still do it just for money. These business models, they're literally like glorified 9-to-5s. People are confusing freedom with golden handcuffs. Doing fucking dropshipping is literally the same as a 9-to-5 job. You have to wake up, do some work that you don't care about on some laptop, yeah. Except it's not even like morally good work as well. And yeah, you might make some more money, but like, what's so much better is when you're actually having a mission, you're having a purpose, you're having an impact with your work, just as I am doing, actually changing lives, actually working on something that you truly feel passionate about. That's what you need to do. It's not all about making money, and obviously making money that can massively impact your life, that can help you so much. The point I want to get across is that if you want to be doing online business, you want to be making money online, you have to be doing it in something that you enjoy doing. And so my mission is to inspire as many guys to this mission. I'm gonna be that young guy who, instead of pushing the Lamborghinis and Dubai and shit, which can be fun, I guess, it probably will be a thing to do in the future, but what I want to be pushing is the freedom that you can get from making money online, not like it's enslaving yourself in a business instead of enslaving yourself in a 9-to-5. I want to push freedom for people. I want to push freedom to allow you to do what you want and to live life on your own terms. That's really what I want to push. And so how does any of this relate to my name change? Well, I really want to be pushing my image out there. I really want to be blowing the fuck up. And I didn't want to do that under a fake name. And so now was pretty much my last opportunity to change back to my real name, because obviously I want to honor the name of my family, the name of my father and everything. I don't want to be doing under a dishonest fake name, if that makes sense. Oh, and if you were wondering where the name Millison came from, it came from those woods over there. This is Springwood here. That's Millison's wood. I just kind of walk around the field, but yeah, man, that's all for me. That's a little update video. Shit is fucking going down. And if you want to join me too, if you want to get my course for free, I've released it for free in the description. I was going to basically sell this course, but I've decided to give it away for free. It's a $1,000 protocol. Teach you everything you need to know to make your first $1,000 in a genuine, purposeful and enjoyable way as a coach. So you can go click that right now. Apply for the waitlist right now, bro. Sick, bro. Shit is going down.